Hi guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. Today we're going to make an easy and inexpensive Christmas wall decoration. For this DIY, you're going to need 7 of the Dollar Tree splatter screens. You will want to get the ones with the knob if you can. The ones with the handle, we had to bend and cut off the handle. So I'd recommend if you can find them with the knobs, and you're going to want to remove the knobs. Splatter screen wreaths are one of my favorite wreaths to make, and so this year I decided to go big, so we're making a huge greenery style, if you want to say, splatter screen wreath. And I picked up some snowflake ornaments at Dollar General to go on it. You are also going to need some spray paint, and this is Rust-Oleum brand. It's Gloss Meadow Green, and I picked it up at Walmart. You will want to remove all of the knobs off of the center of your screens. You are also going to need some floral wire to connect all of your splatter screens together to form your wreath. I wired all of my splatter screens together first, and then I spray painted them. I don't know which way works best, but I just thought it would be easier to wire them together first and then paint them. That way the paint doesn't get chipped. But just place your 7 screens overlapping and form a circle. Next, I'm taking some stem wire that I picked up at Michael's, and I just cut it into shorter pieces, and I am just threading it through one screen and then threading it through the other screen, then going to the back of the screens, twisting the wire, cutting it off short, and folding it down. So I'm going to also add a wire at the bottom so that the screens do not move. So one at the top, one at the bottom. Next, I spray painted my splatter screen wreath outside, just one coat of paint, and then let it dry. And this is the way it looks when your paint gets dry. So very pretty. Now comes the fun part. There's so many different ways you can decorate your splatter screen wreath. So I went kind of simple, and I used these piece snowflake Christmas ornaments I picked up at Dollar General. I just used some Gorilla Glue, hot glue, and Gorilla Glue hot glue gun, and just hot glued the ornaments onto the splatter screens. Make sure you don't hot glue your wreath down to your table when you're doing this. So I just added some hot glue, then added the ornaments to the center of the splatter screens, and then for the very top I added a bow. Next, I went outside, and between 2 of my windows I hung up my beautiful new Christmas wreath. I hope you enjoyed watching this DIY. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share, and if you have not subscribed, I would love to have you as a subscriber.